Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Current time 11:54 a.m. Time of arrival 11:55 a.m. I am on time. Technically, I'm going to be about 60 seconds late, but that's okay. You know the old saying, on time is late, early is on time, and late is never. You know what I'm saying? It's like a chess game or playing checkers. The next person can't move until the person's done moving. You know what I'm saying? Does that make any sense? No, not at all. Neither me either. So, let's talk business. Today is ride day. Now, being from Southern California, it's still fall here and it's beautiful weather right now. It's going to be like a high of like 54 degrees today. And you're like, Chris, that's cold. That's not cold for Colorado. Sun's out, feels tremendous. If this was Southern California, 54, yeah, that'd be a little chilly, I'll tell you what. But, again, as long as that sun's out, guns out, what I'm getting at, we're heading over to Stratton. Nice little trail system. We're going to get the GoPro running around a little bit. Beautiful day. Old Slappy Dappy carving up the street right there. Doing some turns. Practicing that river surfing. There he is. People are like, man, the Bensberg boys are kind of crazy. All right, welcome to Stratton. Open space. Trail map right here. Bathroom right here. Bikes right here. Crew right here. Let's rip. So you start with a nice little punchy climb. Yep. Stretch the legs. Stretch them out. Feeling good. Go. That's it, baby. So again, from the parking lot, you're gonna grind up pretty good. We're heading up to Chutes right now. We're gonna see what the conditions are like. But we got hero dirt, snow, melted off about 3-4 days ago. Looking really good. Only ones out on the trail today. Prepare those legs and those lungs for a nice push-up, calorie burner to super fun downhill. And we'll work our way over to, we're gonna go Chutes to El Royal Grande. Stay tuned. Okay.
At least for the start.
Lower Chutes, right here. Intermediate, downhill bike only, which is really nice. Nobody can come up. This is downhill only. And you start out with a few little kicks right here. Watch your turns. Got a little snow on the trails in the shade. Typically it's cat litter, but we should be in primo conditions today. Oh boy. Yeah, bud. Oh boy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, so clean. Oh, so good. Good. Bless us, protect us, amen. Oh boy! Little cat with a hip. Oh, so good. Nice.